Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ultralight backpacking stoves that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the KubeCl portable camping stove. With a price tag of just $7.29, this stove offers incredible value for those on a tight budget. Let's talk about its key features. It's made of an anti-rust aluminum alloy, making it both lightweight and durable. The piezo ignition system ensures easy lighting, and its compact size makes it perfect for slipping into your backpack. Despite its small size, it boasts an impressive 3,000 W of heat output, which allows for quick boiling and efficient cooking. In terms of design, the KubeCl stove features a stable bracket that supports small to medium-sized cookware, and its wind resistance capabilities are a nice touch for outdoor use. However, while the build is functional, it doesn't feel as premium or robust as some higher-end models. During testing, the piezo igniter worked reliably, but it's worth noting that you may need to press it a few times under windy conditions. As for performance, the KubeCl is a great emergency backup or starter stove. It's ideal for casual campers or those who want a small, affordable option for occasional use. However, its efficiency and durability may not stand up to long-term, heavy use. Pros include its lightweight design, affordability, and ease of use, while cons include a less sturdy build and occasional ignition quirks. Overall, it's a great entry-level option for anyone just getting into backpacking or camping. Taking the third spot is the BRS 3000T titanium stove. At $15.93, this stove is a favorite among ultralight backpackers, and for good reason. Weighing just 26 grams, it's one of the lightest stoves on the market. The titanium construction not only keeps the weight down, but also ensures excellent durability. With a maximum output of 2,700 watts, it can boil a liter of water in under 3 minutes under ideal conditions. It's a no-frills, minimalist stove that gets the job done efficiently. The design is extremely compact, with foldable pot supports that make it easy to nest inside a small pot. The bright green pouch included with the stove is a nice touch, as it helps you locate it easily in your backpack. During our field tests, the BRS 3000T delivered consistent performance, though we noticed that its small size limits the stability for larger pots. The flame adjustment is smooth, allowing you to switch between a rolling boil and a simmer with ease. This stove is ideal for seasoned backpackers and those who prioritize weight savings above all else. Pros include its ultralight design, fast boiling time, and compact storage, while cons are its reduced stability and slightly lower heat output compared to larger stoves. If you're looking to shave every gram from your pack, the BRS 3000T is a fantastic choice. In second place is the Valkcon BRS 3000T titanium stove, priced at $15.75. While it shares many similarities with the BRS model, this one has a slightly lower heat output of 1,940 watts, which makes it better suited for slower, more controlled cooking. Like its counterpart, it weighs just 26 grams and features a compact, ultralight design. The titanium construction ensures durability and resistance to corrosion, while the bright green carrying pouch makes it easy to spot in your gear. The Valkcon stove excels in stability and smooth flame adjustment. Its compact pot supports are best suited for smaller cookware, making it an excellent option for solo backpackers. During testing, it boiled a liter of water in just under 3 minutes, matching the efficiency of the BRS model. However, the slightly lower output means it's less suited for rapid boiling in windy conditions. This stove is perfect for ultralight backpackers who value compactness and controlled cooking. Pros include its ultralight build, durable titanium construction, and precise flame control. Cons are its reduced heat output and limited pot stability. Overall, the Valkcon BRS 3000T is an excellent choice for those seeking a lightweight yet reliable cooking solution. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the MSR Pocket Rocket 2. At $49.95, it's the premium option on this list, but it's worth every penny. This ultralight stove weighs just 2.6 ounces and folds down to a compact 2 by 2 by 3 inches, making it perfect for minimalist backpackers. It's incredibly efficient, boiling a liter of water in just 3.5 minutes. The serrated pot supports provide excellent stability, accommodating a wide range of pot sizes. The build quality of the Pocket Rocket 2 is outstanding. It's designed for easy setup and operation, with no priming, preheating, or pressurizing required. The flame control allows for precise adjustments, making it suitable for everything from boiling water to simmering gourmet meals. During our tests, it performed flawlessly in windy conditions, thanks to its efficient burner design. The MSR Pocket Rocket 2 is ideal for serious backpackers who want a reliable, high-performance stove that can handle a variety of cooking needs. Pros include its lightweight design, durability, fast boiling time, and excellent flame control. The only con is its higher price point. If you're looking for the best of the best, the MSR Pocket Rocket 2 is the ultimate choice for ultralight backpacking stoves. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.